My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of IRS cases, both on the defense side and for IRS. I worked there I actually worked at IRS for 10 years, and I worked there during the days of the cocaine cowboys. I have seized huge bank vaults, big cars, big cigarette boats, big yachts, everything. I have been involved in seizures like you would not believe. So today, in today's economy, I get calls, and someone did give me a call this last week and said, "Hey, what can IRS seize? I owe back tax debt. I owe a large back tax debt. Can IRS seize my house?" Well, yes. The answer is yes, but the reality is no. I just had a case. I was working out of San Francisco where they came in and someone owed 900,000, and the Justice Department went ahead and is foreclosing on the federal tax lien to take a home, and that's because really the taxpayer thumbed their nose up at IRS and says, well, I don't have the money to pay, but the person had a lot of equity in their home. So given the right circumstance, IRS can do that. The new reality is no. IRS is not in the business of seizing and selling assets anymore like they were when I was there. I know the process very, very well. Today, what is IRS going to do? They're going to bang your bank account. They're going to look at your wages, and there's ways they can go ahead and make you surrender. But the main two assets are your wages and bank account. If you owe IRS tax debt, just remember IRS still has to close your case. They're not going to leave you alone. Once you're in the IRS collection portal, the enforcement portal, they have to close your case. They're going to require a financial statement, a 433F if it's at the service center, a 433A if it's a local office, and boom, IRS is going to go and do whatever they can to either close your case, to put you in uncollectible, means not going to collect for a couple years, penalties and interest run, or a payment agreement based on your current financial statement, and you can file an offer and compromise to settle your tax debt. So there are options. So if you owe large IRS tax debt, this is what IRS pretty much is going to do to you. We work really large cases. If you need me, let me know. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. You can always email me a question if you wish. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate your time, and you always hear the truth.